YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another curl box video, and this is going to be the February 2023 curl box. And what a great ode. I will be reviewing the My Black is Beautiful hair care products, and it was so funny because I was like, I have that t-shirt. I actually have this t-shirt from an event that I had attended. About 10 years ago. It's been over 10 years plus when I lived in Houston. But anyway, when I seen the products, I was like, that's amazing. It's black. Not only is it Black History Month, but Curlbox decided to allow us to try the My Black is Beautiful, the Blue Ginger line. So I'm excited. I was excited to give the products to try. So let's go ahead and get moving. If this is the first time that you've run across one of my videos, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and thanks so much for all your support. If you're not familiar with Curlbox is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month. It's $5 shipping. I do reside in the state of Georgia, so I do pay a little bit of tax of that, and you're charged on a recurring basis, and you receive a monthly hair care curated box. Now, if you're an individual that's not interested in any form of reoccurring payments, you can do what they call their non-subscription boxes, and you can go online, and I'll leave their link below in the description box. You can go online and see what they're offering and try box. This is a great way to try new hair care you may have seen and never thought to try, or just things that you've never even heard of. So let's go ahead and get moving into this My Black is Beautiful, the Blue Ginger line. We received a total of 5 products along with the hair care tool. Sometimes they mix up the box, so it's always exciting because you never know what you're gonna get in the box. In each box you receive a cue card, and it comes with like the products that you will be receiving. It says enjoy your mystery product, and I'm guessing that's the hair tool because we did receive a flow through detangling brush, which I will show. And it's always theme. It says a love letter to your hair is the February 2023 curl box thing. Okay, now this box didn't come with the conditioner. We did receive the first product that I tried, and these are actually the results of using these products. Thoroughly surprised, and I'll speak to that as we go through the product review. But my hair was just a little bit dry. My hair takes forever to dry, but I love the results. I love the results. It's a soft hold, and I'll speak more to that at the end of the video. But these are the results that I'm wearing from just my standard broad set. So let's go ahead and get moving. This is the My Black is Beautiful. This is the scalp care line. It's their clarifying shampoo. It has blue ginger with tea tree oil, no sulfates, no parabens and silicones. And I love how sleek the packaging is. I love the gold embroidery. It just looks very, very luxurious. Love it. Let me read you some of the details on the shampoo. Ginger Clarifying Scalp Shampoo. Reset your scalp and remove impurities with this antioxidant rich formula. The cleanser is infused with tea tree oil and provides a clean base to moisturize. We got the February 2023 curl box, and what a more fitting box than the My Black is Beautiful. Start off with the clarifying shampoo. The packaging is so sleek and pretty, and then it has the gold lettering. I think that's beautiful with the blue. That's so pretty. I always get scared when I see clarifying because I think it's going to dry my hair out. Give it a try. Of course, it has blue ginger. That sounds good. With tea tree oil, no sulfates, parabens. Pretty big. It's 9.6 fluid ounces. Our shampoo removes impurities and resets the scalp, provides a clean base to moisturize, improve scalp condition as you wash. Gently massage shampoo. Okay, the first ingredient is water, so it has the flip top. Okay, it's a flip top. Oh, okay, it's clear. It's clear in color. So it's a little runnery. Let's see. Okay, smells so pretty. Smells very nice. Ooh, a little goes a long way. Likey. Feels very hydrating going on. So pretty. Smells very luxurious. I like it. I love the lather on this. You can see a little goes a long way. Yay. So let's see how this feels when I wash it out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those suds. Yes, that's what we like to see. I really like this shampoo. A little goes a long way. I love how much lather and suds that it gave me. You'll see in the review, it is clear in color. Very, very thick. I really liked it. And these products smell so pretty. It smells so beautiful, very lightweight. It kind of reminds me, and I can't think of the actual name of it, but it kind of puts me in the mind of like a fragrance that you go, like that you would purchase from, or a lotion that you would purchase from like a Saks or a Nordstrom's. Very, very beautiful. I really thoroughly enjoyed the shampoo for sure. Like I mentioned, unfortunately the box did not come with a conditioner. I used my Moisture Shine and Wapui. I do have a product review on this product line. I'll leave that in cards and also below in the description box. If you're interested after this video, you can check that out. And then I followed up. We did receive 2 mask treatments. I'm not going to use the other one. The second one will go to the Poshmark closet. But I decided to use this one because it says it's the Intense Recovery treatment with the golden milk with honey and coconut oil. That just sounds so amazing. So I decided to use this because I wanted a more intensified treatment. Okay, freshly out of the shampoo. Now I did also condition. This box didn't come with a conditioner, so I did use my conditioner, and I'll share that as I'm going through the video. But even after, for this to be clarified, my hair is so soft. Like, it felt really, really good. I was surprised. So I'm liking these products, but again, I got to be careful with that because the dry down, and after I style it, I got to see what their final results look like. But the next item, and the matte black is beautiful, is their Intense Recovery treatment. It has golden milk with honey and coconut oil, no sulfates, no parabens. It looks like this. So sleek. It says our deep penetrating mask instantly smooth, replenishes, and repairs hair to improve manageability and shine. The intensive formula strengthens hair and restores moisture after the first use. After washing hair with the MB Matte Black is Beautiful hydrating shampoo and fortifying conditioner, apply generous amount of the Intensify Recovery treatment to your hair with a wide tooth comb through thoroughly to evenly distribute this creamy treatment from roots to tip. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes or longer if the dye works thoroughly. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and these products smell so pretty. Look at that. It's nice and thick. Look, yes, that looks pretty. Okay, so we're going to, I should part my hair. Now that's the thin mask, but these smell so good. Ooh, it smells like shea butter. It smells really good. I would usually put like a cap on, but since it's like my hair is basically absorbing it, I'll probably just let it sit without a cap on for 15 minutes. Come through, my black is beautiful. Oh yes, I love it. Different texture for a standard mask that I'm used to, but still like it. Oh, so good. Look at that. Definition feels so good. Okay, now I have it completely all through the hair. Check that out. And it smells amazing. It's so lightweight. It's so soft. Look at that definition of it all. So pretty. Feels amazing. Smells amazing. Okay, I'm going to leave this in for about 10 or 15 minutes. Rinse this out and come back with how the hair is feeling, and we'll move into the styler. I wanted to come in really quick. After 10 minutes later, you could see how the product, it just kind of sits, like it looks like it's separated on the hair. So I really wanted to just show that, how it looks like the mask separated. So I'm about to wash it out, and I'll come back with the final results. And it says it's our deep penetrating mask, instantly smooth, replenishes, and repairs hair to improve manageability and shine. The intense formula strengthens hair and restores moisture after use, after the first use. So I really wanted to try that just to see how that worked. And look at the texture of this mask. Very, very creamy. Look at that. Kind of reminds you of a styler. What I did notice is it just kind of sat on the hair, then it absorbed the mask. I noticed, like you'll see, I'll show where there's like little particles, like it looked like it kind of sat in the hair. Again, these products smell so pretty. My hair, I love the definition of it. Now, when I wash it out, I rinsed it out, washed the mask out. I was surprised that my hair was not dry. I let it sit for like 10 minutes because I think it says you can let it sit between 10 to 15 minutes, and I did let it sit. I didn't even put a plastic cap or anything like that. I just kind of just let it sit in the hair, and you'll see where I come back and I showed you how, you know, how I could see as I allowed the mask to sit, how the products start to just like settle on the hair. This hydrating mask restores hair health at first use. We recommend using this mask weekly to replenish your curls. So this can be used weekly. There was no leave-in or anything like that. So then I moved into the styler, and I was so confused. I had to read these products over. I'm like, I want to make sure that I'm not using, you know, the conditioning. It's the conditioning cream. Styler is, you know, like a basic conditioner. I just wanted to make sure I was using these products. I kept reading them over and over and over and over again. It was so funny. But last but not least, the third product in the box that I used was the Tangle Slayer conditioning cream. It's for type 4 coily hair. It's a golden milk with honey and coconut oil, no parabens and no sulfates. Again, I love the packaging. Comes with the cap. It had the little knob that was in there. I did use a generous amount of this, and it's very creamy, and texture was really different. It kind of reminds me like a cream gel, but again, these products smell very, very good. And I was just like, I hope, you know, after doing that intensified mask, that this Tangle Slayer gives my hair, this conditioning cream, you know, would give my hair the moisturizer that it needs, because I really wanted to give this product a fair chance, you know, just really get to test it out to see how it worked. Conditioning cream is formulated for coils and curls. This conditioning cream has plenty of slip to cut your detangling time in half and to help you create your own perfect hairstyle. I like this. I really did. I really like this product. And then the other product I used was this detangling brush, and I did see it. It comes with the little, I guess that's like, what are they calling that? That's the control bar adjustment with. It was a little bit hard for me to try to push it through. Of course, I'm not technical or anything like that, but you can push it through and make it as wide as you want. But when I use it like this. I did see this all over the internet and on hair care videos where people use this brush. It was okay for me. I have a lot of the Tangle Teaser brushes that I really love. This one, it kind of pulled my hair. Okay, we received the Evolve Professional Wide Flow Detangler brush, and I've seen this many times, social media and just in videos, and definitely want to try it. I have so many brushes and combs, but this looks like it comes with an extra, or I think you can use this or something to pull it through. I would have to look at the video, but it comes with an extra side thing. Slide down. Yes, that's right on down. Very, very soft. For thick, curly, and coily hair, the Evolve Wide Flow Detangling Brush is designed to detangle curls, coils, and wavy hair smoothly and gently. This brush features flexible bristles for easy separation and detangling. I love brushes, and I know it separates like that. Get the point where it kind of supposed to go through, but I think the bristles are kind of rough for me. This is the Evolve. Evolve is the brand. Evolve Wide Flow Detangler. The Evolve Wide Flow Detangler is designed with flexible bristles to detangle and separate hair. Easy and define and style waves, curls, and coils. So, see this baby. And last but not least, we're going to move into the styler. Didn't come with a leave-in or oil or anything like that, so I'm just going to go with it. This is a Tangle Styler Conditioning Cream. It says for type 4 coily hair. It has golden milk and honey and coconut, so I know that probably smells absolutely amazing. This is 6.3 fluid ounces. I love, again, the packaging with the turquoise blue, beautiful, and the gold. And I was so unsure. I didn't know if this was actually a conditioner or what, so I kept reading the instructions. So we're going to use this one as our styler. We're going to do my Ever Faithful. We're going to do a basic rod set because I'm about to do protective style. I'm about to get my hair done, so stay on the lookout for that video. But this has the little nozzle on it. Let's see if it just, I got to take this out. Little nozzle push thing to go in the hole in this. Okay. See, it kind of looks like a grease, sort of. Like a thin grease. Angle slayer. Okay, so we're going to just part the hair into my rods. Okay, I'll be back with my final thoughts and final review. Okay, now there were two products that I did not use that will go to Poshmark. Poshmark link will be listed below in the description box. Be sure to check that out if these are products that you're not interested to. I have some amazing products on Poshmark that include crochet hair. I have wigs there. I have natural hair care there. I even have some gift cards on there, some Minecraft gift cards if you have children. So be sure to check out the closet. But I'm going to add these two as a bundle. So please be sure. Now, of course, I'm not opening these. Please be sure to check the links below. The first item is going to be the Invigorating Scalp Scrub. And I decided to add this because I don't suffer, or I'm not one that has issues with scalp. I don't have scalp problems, and I have so much hair care at that. It says our vitamin infused scalp scrub gently exfoliates to remove dirt, oil, and product build up, improving scalp conditioner while you wash. Looks like that. It looks like it has the nasal, that you'll twist that off and use that. Let me read you some more details and information on that. This pre-poo treatment is a vitamin infused scalp scrub, gently exfoliates to remove dirt, oil, and product buildup. Okay, the last item we received was the restorative mask with blue ginger and birch water. No sulfates and no parabens. Again, beautiful packaging with the bright blue beautiful and the gold. My black is beautiful with the gold casing. Love it. Beautiful and elegant. This recovery mask, the recovery mask, this deep penetration mask instantly smooths and repairs hair to improve manageability and shine. And this is a 5.7 ounce. Love the packaging. So these two will go to the Poshmark closet. If you're interested, be sure to check the links below. Okay, like I mentioned, these are the final reviews. My hair was still a little dry. I did have to pull out my blow dryer, which I hate to do, but I wanted to come in and share this video because this was a great way. I thought this was brilliant. You know, the My Black is Beautiful to commemorate, you know, Black History Month, and I just happen to have my t-shirt. It's like, let me pull in my shirt. But love the products. My hair is it gave me a very, very light, soft hold. I was really, really impressed with this conditioning cream that is able to provide my hair with the moisture that it needs after doing the deep intensified treatment without any other, you know, leave-in or any oil or anything like that. So overall, I really love the products. I think my favorite too is going to be the shampoo because I love the lather on it. I love the smell, like how my hair felt when I came out of that. And also this cream. I even use it just to kind of touch up the hair, and really, really lightweight. I like the way my hair absorbed this. So I love it. I'm so excited. You just never know. I think this is, out of all the videos that I've recorded this far in 2023, I think this is going to be by far one of my favorite hair care products that I've reviewed as far as the results and everything that came out of it. So if you've ever tried the My Black is Beautiful products, or you receive curlbox, then try them out. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite products? How did you use them in your hair? As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy Black History Month.